What's going on, goats? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be installing the MPerformance style rear spoiler on my car. So with no further ado, let's hop right into this video. Alright, so I just want to show you guys this real quick. I got the wing, took it off, and I mocked it up on the car and everything to see how it looked. I understand that this is not the OEM wing, but if you take a closer look at all like the edges of the wing, it just looks fucked up. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. It looked like this joint was already mounted on a car. They took it off and then just sent it to me. It's like dirt all over. I think there's like residue. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's residue all over it, like sticky residue that is. And I don't know, I'm about to wipe it down with some 90% isopropyl alcohol just to see if I can get a better looking on it. Then after that, we're gonna run to Walmart and see if I can get that epoxy, and we're gonna slap it on the car immediately. We do have to clean the trunk off, and we have to take my current spoiler off the trunk, and then we're gonna do everything. But I think this is gonna work. Yo, no bullshit, as I'm wiping this shit down, I'm seeing more and more defects with this shit. Like, look at this. Like, what is that? Over here, same thing. It's like this shit, I don't know if it was put together properly. At this point, I don't even know if this is real carbon fiber. But what Hunter is telling me, it looks like real carbon. But I don't know, bro. I don't know. The quality of this is not there. Now, a lot of y'all gonna tell me I get what I paid for because the OEM wing is $3 grand and I only paid $700 for this. But if I'm paying $700 for a wing like this, I better get my money's worth. I'm not playing with nobody. So I finished wiping it down. We're about to run to Walmart because we need that epoxy. Alright, so let me put y'all on game real quick. So again, we have Hunter here. Y'all already know what the game is. HL the Genius, yes sir. We done mocked up the wing, as you guys can see right here. This is stand 1, stand 2. These lines that you're seeing right here, based off what Hunter is telling me, this is the center of the trunk. So from top to bottom, that's the center. And then this is the middle of the trunk from side to side all together. This is one leg. That's another leg. We kind of fucked up with this tape. We should have took this tape off, but I didn't. But everything literally is good to go. All we got to do now is put the wing on. We're gonna use the blue tape to hold it onto the car so we can see how it looks, and then we're gonna go ahead and put that epoxy on. Just
smiley face.
He said it's a smiley face. It is. Holy shit.
It was 2 eyes on my nose, so I put a mouth.
Yeah, we're gonna put the wing on right now. Put the tape on it, the painter's tape, just to mock it up so me and him can step back and look at it. And then from there, we're gonna permanently mount that John. So let's do it. Alright, so we done put the tape on it already. Held everything down. And from me, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. This shit looks straight. It looks hot. Yeah, sure. I love it. Looking at it from all angles. I know the tape is kind of messing it up right now, but that's how it looks. And then I'm also gonna have the little spoiler on the bottom right down here. The one that came in the car, the OEM one. That's definitely gonna go down there as well. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I saw Brian use industrial grade epoxy kind of thing to hold his wing on onto John's car. And I thought about it, but then I looked at the price of it, and the little tube, like it's a little bit bigger than this. It was $60 for that tube. Trust me, it's worth it, but not really, not to me at least. Reason why, it's a big ass tube and I'm not gonna be using that tube 9 times out of 10. I'm probably gonna, it's gonna be a one-time use, for real. After I use this, I'm not gonna need it anymore. But I saw, trust me, I live by this. If Gorilla Glue could sponsor me, I'll be sponsored right now. I love Gorilla Glue and I'm damn sure that this gonna hold this shit down. It's a Gorilla Glue epoxy. Now, Gorilla Glue itself is already strong as fuck. Now imagine the epoxy, holy shit. This shit ain't coming off this motherfucker, but nevertheless, this is what we're using, the Gorilla Glue epoxy, the clear. It says that it sets in 5 minutes and it takes 24 hours to cure, but I'm gonna let it go for 48 hours before I even wash the car, because right now the car is filthy as shit. But me and Hunter, we're gonna get it done, so stay tuned. Up more on my side. Right there. Up. A little bit more. Alright, boom. So we got it up there this time. Tape is on it this time. And you already know the epoxy is on it this time. Wait! Now I do gotta say this, yo. The eBay one that I got, it is not sitting flat. Yeah, the eBay one that I got is not sitting flat at all. And I should have sanded it down just to give it a rough texture for it to go on the car, for one. And for two, I could have flattened it out myself. But we're gonna make this set, see how it's looking, and then figure it out later. Alright, so as y'all can see, some time has went by. I believe, no cap, it's been about 2 hours now since I touched this. I went, got something to eat, and came back. Holy shit. Oh, thank God. I thought the shit got on the tail light, yo. I was about to be scared as shit. But now I'm gonna take off all the blue tape. It seemed like it's holding. So let's take the blue tape off and see how everything looking. So as y'all can see, it is the next day. It's a whole 24 hours since we put the wing on the car. Well, not really 24 hours. It's been about 15 to 16 hours that we put the wing on the car. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm feeling a little concerned about the wing right now. And the reason why I'm feeling a little concerned is because it doesn't seem like it's placed down in the right spot where it needs to be placed down. Now, I do have to remind you guys, I did buy this wing off eBay. So, it's not gonna fit properly or fit right. Or maybe we just didn't do it right. But, right now I'm a little uncomfortable with it. I'm not gonna lie, but I am gonna take it on a drive. I am gonna do a pull, and I am gonna see if it falls the fuck off. Cause what else we gonna do? It's already epoxied on the car. There's not much else we could do on our end. But let me show you guys. But like I did tell you guys, there are definitely imperfections on this that you're gonna peep. Like right here, the resin of the carbon fiber didn't go all the way. So like right in there, it looks like there's a crack. This side right here, it looks like it's all scratched up. I don't know how well you guys are able to see that, but it looks scratched up to shit. And then last night I was telling you guys about the blue painter's tape that's stuck in there that I still gotta get out. When I take the car to go get paint corrected, I'm gonna see if my guy could get that out. But there's definitely epoxy right here on the leg. I keep calling this a wing, the leg. Everything else on this joint is perfect though, sturdy. Like if I open the trunk, I could use this to lift up the trunk. Like if you guys can see, there's no flex. I'm doing this, there's no flex or nothing. The whole trunk is coming up with it. But like I told you guys, look at that. You guys see that? And right over there as well, it's the same thing. But like I said, we're gonna rock out with it. So just when I thought that I was gonna wrap this video by putting the OEM spoiler on the car, it freaking rained. Like, look at this, it rained. So it just finished raining. The wing is on the car still. Like I said, that joint is looking. Now, the only thing left for me to do is putting this OEM spoiler on, and because the car is wet, I'm gonna wipe it down first, put some alcohol on there, make sure the surface is dry, and also has no debris on it. I already prepped the OEM spoiler. Let me show you guys. Bow. So I already prepped it. I got the Gorilla Tape on there, as you guys can see right there. It is the OEM one, the very, very skinny one. And we just need to prep the car now. So let me wipe that joint off, get it cleaned up, and put this sucker on.
Diz made it.
Alright, so to give y'all the conclusion on this wing. First thing I gotta let y'all know, I bought this shit off eBay, right? So y'all already know where I'm going with this story. I'm pretty sure if you do it like how Keys Motorsports did it and actually buy the MPerformance wing from BMW, everything will fit perfect and you'll have no issues. Since I bought this from eBay, the legs of the wing, it was crooked, it was wavy as shit. When I did try to sand it down, I guess I sanded it down too far and one of the bolts actually fell out. So there goes that as well. To be honest with you, you're getting what you pay for. I'm not gonna lie for you. The wing itself is actually real carbon fiber. So, I mean, there goes the good in that. I only paid $700 for this wing, which that is a lot of fucking money, but compared to the real price of the wing, which is $3,000, you're literally getting what you pay for. This shit, when I first ordered it, it said it was coming from Hong Kong, China, which it did. And it also said that I was gonna get it like July 30th or some shit. Some way out date. But to my surprise, it actually came in like a week and a half when I ordered it. So it came quick, that's good. It's real carbon fiber, that's good. But it's shitty quality. It looks good. It looks like the real thing. but it's eBay quality, you know what I mean? So you gotta work with it. If you have a body shop that works with you and know what they're doing when it comes to things like that, it will look amazing on your car. I just wanted to do it by myself. I fucked my whole trunk up. I recorded some of this and I didn't even tell you guys what happened. The epoxy, when I first did it, the epoxy came right the fuck off. The wing lifted up and came off. So the next day I literally just drilled some fucking screws in my trunk because I was over that shit. At this point, I'm just where if I'm gonna sell the car and I don't want the wing on the car, I'm just gonna buy a replacement trunk and put that shit on the car because I can't deal with this shit. I sanded the trunk down, I sanded the leg of the spoiler down, put epoxy on the trunk, put it on the spoiler, drill the holes, put the screws. There's so much shit securing this shit. If this shit falls off, it's not meant to be on a car. I swear to God. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, to conclude everything, it's a good wing. It looks good on the car. I love it. I love it. But yeah, it's just something you got to see in person. If you guys see me out and about, tag me on the gram, shout me out, say what's up, whatever the case may be. Just look at the car. It looks really good in person. But like I said, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, go downstairs, hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DiversDJ. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Y'all be safe, you hear me? Peace.